Amid Har Ghar Tiranga campaign, youth unfurls Pakistani flag arrested. At least one dead, 20 injured in explosions at Armenian market. Hi and welcome to the Karbi Daily News. I'm Promila Timukpi with the latest news for this morning. A youth identified as Salman of Benapur, Mustaqil village, unfurled Pakistan national flag in Kasinagar, Uttar Pradesh was arrested for anti-India. A youth identified as Salman of Bendupar, Mustaqil village, unfurled Pakistan's national flag in Kusinagar, Uttar Pradesh was arrested for anti-India. He was seen hoisting the Pakistani flag on the terrace of his house, the video of which has gone viral over social media. Meanwhile, the incident enraged the local people who immediately informed the police and asked the administration to take strict action. The locals complained that Salman had engaged himself in anti-India activities by disrespecting the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign and hoisting the national flag of Pakistan instead. The police reached the spot to verify the complaint and in immediate action asked Salman to take down the flag. The family of the accused had stopped him from hoisting the national flag of Pakistan, but to no avail. He did not agree with his family members and unfurled the Pakistani flag on the terrace of his house. The SP said that Salman has been arrested in the case and is being interrogated in the custody. James Teron, report on updates on Har Ghar Tiranga, Karbi Daily News. Fire explosions at Armenian market caused at least one dead, 20 injured. Smoke rises from Surmalu market about 2 kilometers south of the center of Yerevan, Armenia on August 14, 2022. A strong explosion hit a large market in the capital of Armenia on Sunday, setting off a fire and reportedly trapping people under rubble. The Interfax news agency cited Armenia's emergency service as saying the explosion occurred in a building at the Surmalu market where fireworks were sold. The explosions and fire at the Surmalu market sent a towering cloud of smoke over Yerevan. The market is about 2 kilometers south of the city center. A spokesman for the Yerevan mayor said Ryukyu workers were laboring to pull people out of the rubble. The Armenian Emergency Service Ministry said at least one person was killed and 20 injured. James Teron report, Karbi Daily News. That's all for today. Keep watching Karbi Daily News.